Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me hope everyone is fine. Let me hope everything is okay on your side. Let me hope there are some people who made this money last week on gold. Yeah, but today I'm going to share something small. My bias this coming week because we expect a lot of news to happen this coming week as also the month is ending. Yes, let's dive in. uh, Currently I'm going to remove this. um, yeah, I'm going to remove it. Okay, if you're finding this video gonna hopeful, please like, subscribe, share this video, and others also could be able to benefit from this channel. Yes. We are gonna begin with the monthly time frame. Yeah, as I told you, there are some people who are having phones but they don't know how to use it. This is a very important issue, where there's other people who are willingly to make some good money from the online market or from the online system. Um, so as I promised, I'll be making some video using the phone and others the laptop. So um, let's dive in. Beginning from the monthly time frame on AUXD or on gold. So we are seeing that currently uh, gold is so bullish. Gold is bullish, and with the buyers with huge momentum taking place. But when you're doing your top-down analysis, because there is currently which there is a system which I'm building, or which has been able to help me for some good years, and this system I'm using, it is two-step way or two-step drawdown. Yes, yeah, I'll teach you later about that, but this is what I really expect this coming week. So when you are seeing on a monthly time frame, market has been so insufficient. When you're seeing this chart, market has been so insufficient. This was the last break of structure. That was the last break of structure to the upside. And as you are seeing, you need to know how to read these candles, because from the previous break of structure, market came back and retested the breaker, or others who call the break and retest, or others call it support and resistance, and others. Then when you look also on this candle here, this candle also is sufficient. There's no imbalance which we expect some. If the market really comes back in long run, in months, other months which are coming, will be targeting to this demand zone, the last candle before the impulse. Yes, this one. But currently we are very far at the moment. So as you're seeing, market also is insufficient. When you're looking at that, market also is sufficient. Currently we are in this the last candle market printed, it was an indecision candle. This last candle, as you're seeing, yes, that indecision candle, but the one is something like an hammer, which is currently on, and we are seeing market is respecting this closure of the last candle, you get, and market buyers continue pushing up, which means we buyers sellers pushed the market down to cover this big gap that has been left. Then buyers again pushed it up, and still, since we are still in this month of May, buyers are still in control, and we expect these buyers to push the market more higher and higher to target to this draw on liquidity, because I'm not seeing any resistance that may cause this market to continue moving down, except when it's ready for the sellers to send the market down, you get. But I still expect this market to come and clear this draw on liquidity above. So therefore, that's really we expect. That's what really we expect to happen, you get. So I expect these more buyers to continue pushing higher to break this draw on liquidity, you get. So when you will find further on on weekly time frame, and this is what really I tell you. So this is where most traders make mistakes. So when you analyze the markets from the higher time frame, I began from the monthly, you need to remove everything that has been from the what to not to eliminate that confusion in your analysis, you get. Yes, you eliminate that confusion from your analysis. So currently, when you are weekly, we had the last break of structure and the market has already pushed up. And when you examine this last break of structure also here on the lower time frame, you will see it, this candle or bearish candle. Yes, it's also insufficient. And also when you look also on this this candle, the closure of this candle of the week, and last week probably I expected, as we talked via as we discussed with my students, mentorship students, I expected this market to come and cover this imbalance, to come and print into this imbalance before market pushing up to the upside, you get. So that's why when you're analyzing the market, it's much better you open your eye widely, you get. So as we are expected, then the market it respected the favor lookup of the weekly, whereby the market immediately closed the what closed above the favor lookup, which means the favor lookup is going to hold the price back into the draw on liquidity to the buyer side. And then the buyers opened immediately with no wick, which means buyers were in massive momentum. And what happened last week, it came and closed immediately. This one opened, you get. It came and closed immediately. This one opened. This one is sometimes others call it as an engulfing candle. Yes, which means more buyers are taking in control. Yes, so when this happens in the market, so we expect for a continuation for buyers to send the market higher, targeting this draw on liquidity above. Therefore, this coming week we expect, which means I will expect these buyers to start from here, then give us a little bit of pullback into this level to fulfill that little bit gap that was being created, then to continue pushing higher to break this liquidity or the draw on liquidity zone, then a pullback, then a continuation, you get. So that's what really we expect this week to happen. So when you find further on the daily time frame, you will see everything which is much more clear, you get. So you will see everything. Yes, this is what I told you. We expect a little bit of pullback in this area. So then market will be able, we have a lot of draw on liquidity this area, and we expect a little bit of pullback from from this uh, order block or the supply zone which already has been tapped into. And if the market gives us a market structure shift maybe on 1 hour, has my confirmation entry, then we'll be able a little bit to sell, and or a continuation until the market clears its draw on liquidity. You get? Yes. So that's what I really expect for this guy to happen. You get? If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video to other people also to get to know more about trading, how to learn free course, and if you want to learn more about I have a link in the description that takes to the website. You'll be able to revisit and read and understand everything how it works. There's a lot steps by steps to how to become a professional trader. There are mistakes new beginners make. Everything will be reading in that website. You'll be able to understand more about the concept always I teach. I teach smart money concept. Yes, I teach smart money concept. Yeah. So that's really what we expect this coming week. So you define your zone. Your daily bias has your weekly bias has a bullish momentum. More bullish momentum is going to set in. Remember, my last tip is risk management. Okay, risk management. Okay, thank you. God bless. Let's meet next time.